Day 1, you find it on the roadside. Tiny, shaking, wings barely moving. Everyone walks past, but you stop. You take it home. A small box, a few drops of water. It doesn't trust you yet. Week 1, it starts eating from your hand. Its eyes look a little brighter. For the first time, it chirps. Month 1, new feathers begin to grow. It hops instead of crawling. Hope is slowly returning. Some nights you wonder, will it ever fly again? Month 3, it reaches the window, flaps its wings, falls, but tries again. And then, one quiet morning, the bird spreads its wings wide and flies. Not away from you, but because of you. You stand there smiling, realizing something beautiful.